Hello, my name is Emmy and I'm from the Philippines. I'm an enthusiastic ESL teacher who can help you master the English language. I have a bachelor's degree in accountancy and my TESOL certification has equipped me with the knowledge and the skills to effectively teach English to second language learners. Over the past 10 years, I have worked with young learners, teenagers, and adults with varied backgrounds and proficiency levels in improving their English skills. I recognize that each student has an individual learning approach, so I adapt my lessons to match the learning styles, the pace, and the goals of my students. I love incorporating interesting activities, games, and materials to my lessons to make it more enjoyable and dynamic. So, if you're just starting or learning to enhance your English skills, I would love the opportunity to work with you. Together, let's make learning English both fun and rewarding. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my class.